Hello, Mr. Roland. I want to show you around our factory. This building is our office building, and all this factory is our workshop for producing different products. At the left side, at this side, is mainly produce the fiber laser cutting machine. And at this side is the workshop about our press brake and shearing machine, and also some producing device in this side. Now I will show you around our factory, from press brake to shearing machine, and then fiber laser cutting machine, and the automatic production line. We also produce. I will show all details for you. Okay. Now we can see the workshop about our CNC press brake. You can have a look. This is the workshop of our CNC press brake. All this, for example, just like this, it is the machine frame of the CNC press brake, and some are the finished press brake. All these machines are always order. It means that we get the order from customer and then produce this. You can have a look. And here is the showroom of our workshop. This is the showroom. All these machines can use to show the function of our press brake. This workshop is also our CNC press brakes. This is the press brake with the robot arm. And then I will show you the machine you want, DA69 controller, and be with 8+1 axis. I will find that machine and then show you the function about it. This machine is finished the production and now testing it for 48 hours. For such a machine be wrapped where it is waiting for delivery. This is a machine with a DA66T controller. You can have a look. And DA58 controller. This machine is DA69T controller. You can set all these parameters in the controller, and it will do the bending automatically. And also it has the 3D showing function. You can have a look about it. About the clamping system, it is built with the Vela hydraulic It is with the Wella hydraulic clamp system. And about the protection device, it is DSP protection. It is from Italy. What I recommend you for the strict CSA standard may need such DSP standard. But for you choose the loose structure CSA standard, so you may need the light curtain. Light curtain is like this. This is the light curtain. When your hands put here, the machine will stop work. And also we go on see this machine. It is 170 tons and 3.2 meters long, with DA69 control, DA6090 controller. And about the 8+1 axis, I want to show you here. 8+1 axis. It means that the X1, X1, X2, R1, R2, and the Z1, Z2, all these one can work separately. And also the stainless steel and the servo motor and these details, you can have a look. For your this machine is not totally finished. When it's finished, it will have back guide. I will show you the back guide like this. The back guide, it will have a guide just like this. And also for Canada CSA standard, it will have the open door and the power off function. Finally, it will be like this. The back view will be like this. And then we go on show the now we have seen the DA69 controller machine. If you want, you can send me your products. I can make our engineers help you with design and teach you how to bend. We can shoot a video for you, or even we can have a video call with you to show you all the details. And then we go on to see other machines, see the whole workshop. I want to tell you is that all the machine frame is produced by our company directly, not so we can confirm the quality and the accuracy of the machine. At this part is also the CNC press brake. You can have a look. All these are the CNC press brake. This is the warehouse about some components of the machine. That is the electrical workshop to wire the electrical components. And then here is the workshop about our NC press brake. Because CNC press brake is very expensive, so we also produce the NC press brake. And also you can have a look about this. I want to introduce this one. Do you know this brand? It is Belly. It is very famous in North American market, and we have cooperated with Belly for nearly 6 years. We help them produce a lot of machines. For example, this one is 30 tons and 1.6 meters long. This machine is very hot sale in North American market. And Belly place order about 20 sets each month. Every month they place order about 20 sets only this machine, and not including other machines. You can have a look. These are totally finished, waiting for delivery. And here is panel bender. Panel bender is automatically bending machine. It is like the Savanini. It can do the bending automatically. You just need to put your shift here and setting all the parameters here. You can set all the details in the controller, and it will do the bending automatically. The speed is much faster than press brake, but the cost is also very high, and it is only suitable for bending very thin sheets. For example, 1 mm thick sheets. It is the machine frame of the panel bender. And we go on see other machines. You can have a look about that. From here to here, it is the workshop about our NC press brake. For example, the 100 tons and 3.2 meters long NC press brake. You can have a look. For NC press brake, it is the most standard press brake, but the cost is much lower than CNC press brake. Some countries would prefer such models. And this is the painting room. This is the painting room of press brake and shearing machine. The machine frame of press brake will be sent to here to do the painting, and then be sent to the workshop to do the installation. And this workshop is the swing beam shearing machine. This workshop is the swing beam shearing machine. All these machines some are waiting for installation. You can have a look. And here is the machine frame. As I told you, that all the machine frame and all the this structure are all produced by our company directly. So you can have a look about this. The machine frames, for just like what you see, it is especially made for belly. The machine frame for belly 30 tons and 1.6 meters long. This is the machine frame for some big model. You can have a look, and here this space normally is also set all the machine frames, but some of this was sent to the painting room to do the painting. This workshop is to delivery loading the container. Loading machine is here. All these machines be totally finished. All these machines be totally finished. You can have a look. All these machines has been wrapped well. It means that these machines are waiting for delivery. When the container come here, we will load the container load the machines into container. All these machines are finished and waiting for delivery. because of the change of sea freight fee. It is very difficult to order the ship, so some machines are in here to waiting for delivery. You can have a look about here is some steels of the machine frame. You can have a look. This is a working center to produce the machine frame. Because all the machine frames are all produced by our company directly. You know, for such a high configuration, it is very important to confirm the accuracy of the machine frame. Because all the other parts, for example, the controller and the other components are all purchased from the supplier. What is the most important is the machine frame. But as I told you, that if some companies doesn't have very stressful production device, so they cannot confirm the quality and the stability and the accuracy of the machine frame. It will influence the using of the machine and the service life of the machine. Maybe some machines can only be used for 2 years, and then it will have better bending accuracy. And about these two devices, this one is the shoot blasting device, and this one is the heat treatment device. When the machine frame has totally finished, we will send here to do the heat treatment device, to do the heat treatment step, and the shoot blasting step. It can make the machine frame more stronger, and it will make the machine have more longer service life. But in China, nearly 95% companies didn't have such two devices because this two device is very expensive. Even these machines didn't have these two steps after painting. This machine they all look the same as those frames which experience these two steps. So you cannot know whether they have these two devices, and you cannot know do they have these two production device. I mean that if it's available, you can make Ocker also shoot a video like this to show you these two devices. I don't know whether they have these two devices. I think they didn't have that. And also another workshop. This workshop is mainly produces the turret punch machine and the Vigorovi machine and the production line, automatic production line. You can have a look. This is the automatic warehouse system, and that is the turret punching machine. And this is a machine with this machine is especially designed for be used with the robot arms. You can have a look. Always the DA66T controller and the DSP laser protection and the Vela hydraulic clamping system. You can have a look. This is Normally, for such a very long production line, it is purchased from the government project. The robotic arm be used with press brake. And the robotic arm used with laser cutting machine with the press brake. Normally, the steps is that is the sheet warehouse system. The sheet was get by this device, and this device catch the sheet to move to here to the laser cutting machine, and then the laser cutting machine do the cutting. When it finishes the cutting, the robot arm will go to here to catch the finished cutting the sheets and do the bending. And after the bending, they will set it at the side. This is a whole production line, so that there are no need workers to do other things. The workers just need to monitor it. This is some machines about the wheat growing machines. Wheat growing machine. Okay, we finished the one workshop. Go on next workshop. This workshop, it is closed. It is usually we used it to set some finished machine in stock, and also it is preparing for producing a very big machine. Now they are doing the preparation. When we finish that, I will shoot a video about that. It will set a machine with 3,000 tons press brake here. It needed to prepare the holes to set this machine. And this workshop is we mainly do some sheet metal for the press brake and for the laser cutting sheet metal. We have a look. You can have a look. Some finished sheet metal, be cutted, be bent from that part. Some finished sheet metal. This sheet metal will use the press brake, in fiber laser cutting machine, and in the panel bender. And some machine frames, some working table frames here, set in here. Here is the, what you see is the machine frame of panel bender, because they were castled iron, there is no space to set them, so it can be only set outside. And then this workshop is the fiber laser cutting machine workshop. Maybe you don't need the fiber laser cutting machine, but I also want to show you. The fiber laser cutting machine workshop. It is the 14 meters long working center. It is mainly produced the working table of the fiber laser cutting machine. The working table of the fiber laser cutting machine. And this is mainly to produce the bridge of the laser cutting machine. Some machine frames were sent to do the heat treatment and shoot blasting device. You can have a look. This working center was 40 meters long, and this working center was 8 meters long. So we have such a big working center to produce very long working table. The castle, the machine frame of panel bender here. And these are some machines of fiber laser cutting machine. I don't know whether you need it in the future. Just to show you to have a look. This is the sheet cutter. The size is 6 meters long and with exchange table. This is the machine with the sheet cutter with pipe cutter. It can cut the sheets and cut the pipe together. This machine is finished waiting for delivery fiber laser cutting machine with a fixed table, open type. Have a look. This is the pipe cutting system, automatic pipe cutting system. You can set a pipe here and it will do the cutting automatically. No need man, no need workers to do. Pipe cutting machine with automatic feeder. The warehouse of laser cutting machine. And the machine with full cover with sheet cutter with pipe cutter. This part is pipe cutter. Have a look. You can have a look at this laser cutting machine. That laser cutting machine was 20 meters long. 20 meters long laser cutting machine. is 13 meters long laser cutting machine, sheet cutter, with fixed type, or with fixed table, open type. Okay, we have finished seeing the workshop about all our machines. So after seeing this video, I think if you think that Orca would be better than our company, you can make an Orca salesman to shoot one same video just like me. You can make them shoot a video, go around their factory and show all the machines, show the same configuration with you. If they can shoot a video like me, and if they have such a big factory, I can say nothing. So I hope you can think carefully about that. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.